Servus and welcome back to the Austrian German tutorial. In this video, we're going to take a look at one of the most iconic traditions in Austria, namely Nikolaus and Krampus. Perhaps you've wondered why shops sell chocolate bishops and wild creatures with horns, and why kids get presents on the 6th of December. What's that all about, and the difference between Nikolaus, Krampus and Perchten will be the topic of this video. At the end of the tutorial, I'd like to show you 3 typical words around this time of the year. So let's get started. The learning goal of this tutorial is to get to know 3 important figures in Austrian culture: Nikolaus, Krampus and Perchten. Let's start with the most important question. Who is Nikolaus? Nikolaus is the real star of early December. Nikolaus is based on a real historical person, Saint Nicholas of Myra. He was a 4th century bishop who was famous for his kindness and secret gift giving. In that tradition, Nikolaus brings mandarins, peanuts, chocolate, and small gifts to children. He often visits homes, schools, or even town squares. In Austrian German, Nikolaus is also called Nicolo. In some dialects you come across the word Nigeo or Nygeo. Kids might say, "Der Nicolo ist da," meaning Saint Nicholas is here. Now let's turn to the next question. Who is Krampus? Krampus is the scary companion of Nikolaus. He looks terrifying with horns, chains, a wooden mask and a long tongue. The Krampus rattles his chains, screams and sometimes playfully sweats badly behaved kids with the birch sticks, although this is more symbolic and gentle. The bundle of birch sticks is called a Rute. In dialect you also come across the word Ruden. The dialect term for Krampus is Kramperl. Kramperl. In Austria, kids may say, "Pass auf, der Kramperl kommt," be careful, Krampus is coming. Now we get to our third question. What about Perchten? If you thought Krampus was the scariest thing in the Austrian winter, just meet the Perchten. Although there are also Schönperchten, meaning beautiful Perchten, which are beautifully dressed and wish good luck, the so-called Schierperchten, ugly Perchten, are more common. Schierperchten wear terrifying hand-carved wooden masks with horns, animal fur, heavy cowbells around their waists, and whips and chains. It is an ancient custom in alpine regions to drive away evil spirits and bring good luck for a new year. As promised, at the beginning of the video, we take a look at 3 important words in the context of Perchten, Krampus, and of course the Nikolaus. The first example, Krampuslauf. Any idea? Krampuslauf can be translated as Krampus Run or Krampus Parade, with a lot of people who watch the parade. The second example, Schier wie ein Percht. Schier wie ein Percht means ugly as Perchten because they really look ugly. And the third example, Nikolosackerl. Any wild guess what Nikolosackerl could mean? Nikolaus is a small gift bag from Nikolaus that contains mandarins, peanuts, chocolate, and other small gifts. I hope this tutorial helped you to become more familiar with the traditional Austrian figures Nikolaus, Krampus, and Perchten. If you want to know more about Austrian words, please check out the videos on my playlists on the Austrian German tutorial. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content about Austrian German and everyday Austrian life. Thanks a lot for watching the Austrian German tutorial. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Auf Wiedersehen, Servus und Baba.